Introduction to HubSpot CRM Tools. Welcome to our video on Introduction to HubSpot CRM Tools, where we'll explore the world of customer relationship management and how HubSpot CRM tools can help you streamline your sales, marketing, and customer service processes. HubSpot is a leading provider of inbound marketing, sales, and customer service software, and their CRM tools are designed to help businesses of all sizes manage their customer interactions and data in one place. With HubSpot CRM, you can track leads, contacts, and accounts, as well as manage your sales pipeline and forecast your revenue. One of the key features of HubSpot CRM is its ability to integrate with other HubSpot tools, such as marketing automation and sales enablement. This allows you to create a seamless customer experience across all touchpoints, from initial contact to conversion and beyond. Another benefit of HubSpot CRM is its scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, HubSpot CRM tools are designed to grow with you. You can easily add or remove users, customize your workflows, and integrate with other systems to meet your unique needs. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some of the key features of HubSpot CRM, including lead tracking, contact management, and sales pipeline management. We'll also explore some best practices for getting the most out of your HubSpot CRM implementation. So, if you're looking for a powerful CRM solution that can help you manage your customer relationships and drive business growth, HubSpot CRM is definitely worth considering. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on marketing, sales, and customer service, and don't forget to like this video if it was helpful to you.